Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sound card for guitar full guide. Connect your guitar to the sound card instrument input with a 1/4-inch cable and set the input gain low to avoid clipping. Open your DAW or recording software, select the sound card as the audio device, and create an audio track armed for recording. Monitor through headphones and slowly raise gain while playing to find a clean, strong signal. When recording guitar with a sound card, choose a suitable sample rate and buffer size for stable performance and low latency. Engage direct monitoring if available to play in real time without delay. Record a short test clip at different gain settings to check for clipping and tone. Use a tuner and noise gate as needed, and save presets for later sessions to speed up setup and maintain consistent recordings. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover the guide. Quick recommendation: I use an Owala water bottle on every session to stay focused and hydrated between takes, which really helps my tone and concentration. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick one up if you like it. Now let's get back to the video. For effects and routing, track a clean signal alongside your process signal to preserve flexibility for reamping later. Load amp simulators or convolution impulses in your DAW for realistic cabinet tone, and use sends for reverbs and delays to create space. Keep heavy compression and corrective EQ minimal during tracking to retain natural dynamics. Label tracks and buses clearly to simplify mixing and recall in future sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.